It is shocking to see that the government is using a dilly-dally approach to bring in legislation to end widow discrimination. Almost 1.5 years ago, I had moved a private member's resolution on 31st March 2023 to stop widow discrimination, widow abuse, and widow isolation. After assurance from the Women and Child Development Minister that the bill would be brought in the next session, I had withdrawn the said private member's resolution. However, the bill seems to be stuck due to red tapeism in the Women and Child Department. Our sisters and daughters should not suffer with humiliation. Widows should be treated on par with married women. Recently, radio jockey Usha Naik set an example by performing the rituals of her daughter's wedding. This resolution was backed also by the woman MLA of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Delilah Lobo and Divya Rani. I believe that the BJP is not ready to accept the voice of their own MLA. I believe that this government is not serious about women empowerment, about the affairs of the woman. I believe that they need to come very fast with the legislation, and I hope that this is done in the interest of the women of Goa.